Good morning, everyone. This is Andy back with another video. All right, so today's the day that I'm going to actually install a remote car alarm. I'm going to Best Buy right now, so I don't know how to do the installation, so it's best just to have a shop do it. So I'm going to drop off the car at Best Buy, and then I'm going to actually use my scooter to go back home, because it does take about 2 hours or so. That's what it said from the installation request. So I'll be back. I'll see you when I'm there. On my way back to home. Alright, so this is the back of the parking lot. Where am I going? It's a Retro Fitness on the side. I don't want to go through that bump. Alright, the tricky part is that I gotta cross Route 1, which is like a major highway, but there's actually lights at the intersection. So I just dropped up my vehicle, and now I'm waiting, going back home, because the guy said it's going to take about 2.5 hours. So I'm just trying to go to the best route, I think. I don't want to ride in the street. So this is sort of the back way. I see the crosswalk right there. So let's see. How am I supposed to get across there? Alright. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cross here. Ooh. So this is the tricky part. Crossing the highway. So once I get past here, it should be okay. Alright, I'm just gonna wait for the next light. So I'm gonna be waiting. Alright, I made it across. So now I'm going straight home. So for you guys in New Jersey, this is the Woodbridge Mall. On the left there, it is a Bahama Breeze and an Olive Garden. I'm just riding on the sidewalk here. No one riding the street because it gets busy. Yep, there's the Sears over there. Ooh, I gotta go around. Okay. Actually, I'm just gonna get off and then go back this way. All right, so there's a Macy's over there. Oh my God, this is very bumpy sidewalk here. So maybe I should go on the street, but there's only 3 lanes. All right, when I get close to my house, I'm gonna film some more. So I'll see you in a bit. All right, so I passed the Woodbridge Mall, and this is the Woodbridge Community Center. So I'm actually close to my house now. So I'm still riding on a sidewalk. This road is less bumpy than the one which I just passed. That's why I shut off the camera. It was getting very bumpy. So here's a Northfield Bank on the right, and then you have another bank, Santander Air, whatever they want to call it. All right, so I'm gonna have a problem here. There's no sidewalk, so I have to go on the road. So there's not any cars, so I'm just gonna go. There's less cars. Okay, there's less cars here, so I'm gonna go on the side. Alright, so I'm just going to be on the shoulder lane here. This is a little hill. So my motor is actually, it's working. So it's going up really slow right now. So I'm approaching a bridge. It's gonna be the New Jersey Turnpike and the Garden State Parkway, right over this bridge. See on the right, it is the Parkway, the Garden State Parkway, and right over it is the New Jersey Turnpike, so it goes over too. Alright, I'm going to stop the filming here, and I'll be back in a little bit. Going back. I'm going back to pick up the car. Taking the back roads. Oh my God, big ball. Alright, let's go over the bridge now. Passing the Woodbridge Mall. It's right in on the sidewalk. Oh my God. across. Alright, so I made it. This is the Best Buy Mobile Installation Center. And there's their Alright, so they installed the alarm, so I'm gonna lock it. And then I'm gonna open it and see if the alarm works. Yep. So it works. Alright, so the alarm does work, so I'm all set. Alright, so if you guys like the video, like and subscribe to my channel. Till the next video. Bye.